Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you can sign in and have two-factor authentication available. Add a reachable alternative email or rescue address if you don't already have one, because Apple requires a contact point. Once done, go to Appleid. Apple.com, sign in with your Apple ID, and verify the 2FA code on a trusted device. This first step prevents lockout and preserves access to iCloud, purchases, and subscriptions while you change the primary address. Now you'll replace the primary email. Under Account Reachable add or select the alternate email, then set it as the primary where allowed. Apple will send a verification code. Enter it promptly because unverified addresses can't become primary. Make sure you update sign-in details on your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and any third-party services using that Apple ID. This keeps iMessage, FaceTime, and iCloud functioning smoothly. Change propagation can take a few minutes to complete across devices. Finally, after the new email is primary and verified, remove the old email from Reachable to fully drop it. Sign out and back into iCloud services on each device to force the updated primary to apply. If you experience problems, like inability to verify or unexpected lockout, use the account recovery process or a trusted device to regain access, and contact Apple support only if recovery fails. One key tip: do not delete the old email until the new address is verified, or you risk losing access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.